explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 17 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is reading comprehension, right? So, what is this comprehension? Let us understand that comprehension is the mind's acts or power of understanding the passage and answering the given questions. तो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन एक ऐसी लाइक हमारी एबिलिटी है, हमारी पावर है समझने की कि हम पैसेजेस को रीड करें और इन गिवन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करें, राइट? सो फर्स्ट वी हैव read the following paragraphs and answer the questions given below. तो जल्दी से इन पैराग्राफ्स को पढ़ते हैं और जो क्वेश्चंस हमें दिए गए हैं इनसे रिलेटेड उन्हें आंसर करते हैं, राइट? सो द टाइटल ऑफ द पैराग्राफ इज मोना finds a friend. So let's read this very quickly. So it says Mona is a small girl. One day she goes to the park. She sees a cute little puppy. But the puppy is sad. His toes are hurt. Mona tries to call the puppy. She rolls the ball in front of him. The puppy wags his tail, but he does not move. Mona picks up the little puppy and takes him home. Her mother sees the poor puppy. She gives him milk. Then she washes his toes. She goes inside the room to bring medicines. She looks after the puppy for many days. She calls him Chubru. After 1 week, he becomes healthy, right? Now, he starts running around. Mona is very happy to have Chubru. Mother loves him too. Chubru becomes a pet and lives with Mona and her family, right? So now the first question is tick the correct option, right? So हमें MCQs दिए हुए हैं. Let us read the questions and see whether we are able to answer them or not. So the first question is where does Mona go? So Mona कहाँ जाती है? We all read this in the paragraph and we see that one day Mona goes to the park. So the answer for the statement is option B, that is park. Next, what does Mona roll? What was Mona rolling? So she rolls a ball in front of the puppy, right? So the correct answer for this is option C, that is ball. Correct? Now we need to answer the questions over here. The question है who is Mona? Mona कौन है? So we can say that Mona is a small girl. Correct? Next, the question is what does Mona see in the park? Mona ने पार्क में क्या देखा था? She saw a cute puppy, cute little puppy, right? Next, why does the puppy not move, right? So the answer is itself hidden in the passage, which is the puppy is sad, his toes are hurt. That is why the little puppy cannot move, right? Next, how does Mona help the puppy? So Mona ने puppy की कैसे help की थी? So Mona picks up the little puppy and takes him home. Her mother sees the poor puppy. She gives him milk. Then she washes his toes. Right? She goes inside to bring medicines. She looks after the puppy for many days. Right? And After 1 week, he becomes healthy. So in this way, Mona heads the puppy. Right? Next. Now, here they say, read the following poem and answer the questions given below. तो अब यहाँ पर हमें एक पोएम दी गई है, ना कि एक पैसेज, जिसे पढ़कर हमें क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देने हैं. सो जल्दी से इस पोएम को पढ़ते हैं और फिर देखते हैं कि हम पोएम के बेसिस पे आंसर दे पाते हैं या फिर नहीं. सो द टॉपिक इज द कार. सो लेट्स रीड दिस. We are going on a trip, not in a plane, not in a ship. We will ride in our new car. Hurry up, we will go far. Red light stop, green light go. Yellow light means slow, slow, slow. Baby brother starts to fret. Sister says, are we there yet? Quiet now. Don't make a peep. Baby brother's fast asleep. I am as quiet as a mouse. And here we are at grandma's house. Right? Now, let's read the questions and see whether we are able to answer them or not. So the question is, where is the family going? So we all saw that the family is going on a trip. Right? Next, who falls asleep in the poem? The baby brother falls asleep in the poem. What does the yellow light say? तो yellow light हमें क्या बताती है? Yellow light says slow, slow, slow. Right? Next, what does the green light say? Green light हमें क्या बताती है? Green light says go. Correct? Now, we have another question which says, write down the opposite meanings from the poem of the following words. तो हमें opposite meanings लिखने हैं poem में से देखकर इन सभी words के. Right? So, old. Old का opposite हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? So, old का opposite हो सकता है, it might be new. Right? So, हम new को opposite मान सकते हैं old का. So let's write new over here. So it is new. Next is near. Near का opposite हो सकता है far. Fast. Fast का opposite is slow. And stop. Stop का opposite हो सकता है go. Right? So, you saw how easy these questions were. हमने बहुत easily इन सभी चीज़ों को पढ़ के इनके आंसर यहाँ पर लिख दिए हैं. Right? Moving ahead, we have a lot more examples for you for the reading comprehensions, the exercises. So you can read them by yourself and try to answer the questions on behalf of your reading. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are good, and so that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.